is to add, we've seen that a number can have a positive sign and a negative sign, right? We've also seen that a number, if you, what do you do when there are two numbers with positive signs? We've seen what you do when there are two numbers, one positive, one negative, and we've seen what you do when there are two negative signs, right? So today we will be doing something similar, but instead of adding or subtracting, we will be looking at multiplication. Yeah?
Yes.
Okay. So,
these two conditions on your notebooks, just give me a thumbs up so we'll move forward.
गुड मॉर्निंग शिवानी। शिवानी, आपको एक नोटिफिकेशन आएगा कि ज्वाइन ब्रेकआउट रूम, तो उस पर क्लिक कर लो, जूम ऐप में ही आएगा। अलाउ पे क्लिक कर लो या ज्वाइन पे क्लिक कर लो, कुछ तो लिखा होगा वहाँ पे। गुड मॉर्निंग मिसबा। मिसबा प्लीज ब्रेकआउट रूम ज्वाइन कर लो, आपके पास नोटिफिकेशन आएगा। और इतना लेट क्यों आज?
If there are two different signs, my answer will be a negative minus sign. If there are two same signs, even if there are two minuses, my answer will still be a positive number. Yeah, that is the rule of today. Okay. Yes, so you are right. Oh, shit, I'm so sorry. 1 second. यहाँ पे थोड़ा गड़बड़ है. I will take this up. Okay. Mishba, you want to try this?
Yes.
First, what will we do?
First, we see the number 2 and then we see the signs.
So, what part will I solve first?
First, we solve 2 for the
No, what is in BODMAS? What do we solve first?
first we solve
BODMAS का B क्या है? Bracket, no? Always solve bracket first. So what will we solve here?
4 plus 3,
Correct. So what is 4 plus 3?
7.
Okay. And then?
Then we do multiply.
2 into 7 is?
14.
Correct. And will my answer be positive or negative?
Positive.
Okay. Correct. All right. Yeah. So again, the rules are given here on the left for you all to remember. Can you all see the screen?
Yes.
Okay. So if again if there are two same signs, my answer will be a positive number. If there are two different signs, my answer will be a negative number. Yeah.
जैनब एंड फैजल, हम इतना लेट क्यों आए हैं? आधा क्लास खत्म हो चुका है. अभी आपको क्या समझेगा?
टीचर नेट है ना, नहीं चल रहा था ना, अभी मैंने वो दूसरे के पास लेके गई तो चालू करवाई थी.
ओहो, अभी पता नहीं कितना समझेगा. आपको पास नोटिफिकेशन आएगा जूम में. प्लीज इसको एक्सेप्ट कर लो और ब्रेकआउट रूम ज्वाइन कर लो. ब्रेकआउट
अच्छा.
रूम में क्लास हो रहा है जूम पे. या चलो जल्दी से.
ए वेकअप रूम में जाने बोला टीचर.
कौन से रूम में?
ये बंद कर.
जूम पे ही आपको दिखेगा, उस पे अलाउ कर लो. ज्वाइन ब्रेकआउट रूम पे क्लिक कर लो. ज्वाइन पे क्लिक करो. चलो, जूम ऐप में ही दिखेगा आपको, नोटिफिकेशन होगा जूम ऐप पे ही होगा, उसी से क्लिक करो. जैसे हर हफ्ते करते हो ना, 2 बार ट्यूसडे और फ्राइडे को, वैसे.
Eight.
28
plus 6 is 28 plus 6 34.
Yes.
And
correct. And positive रहेगा या negative रहेगा?
Positive.
Very good. Very good. Okay. Yes, Mishpa, you can take this one. What will I solve first?
Bracket.
So it is -5 plus 4. So what will my answer be for that?
9.
No, read again. I am adding two different signs. So आप right side में देखिए rule 1 जो नीचे है this portion.
We do minus
हाँ, so it will be minus,
One.
correct? Minus. So will it be -1 or +1?
plus 1.
No, subtraction में we take the sign of the bigger number. Which is my bigger number?
5.
Correct. So what will be my answer here for the brackets?
1
Okay, so -1 or +1?
minus 1.
Okay, so it is 2 into -1. So how much is that?
2 ones are 2.
Positive or negative?
Negative.
Okay, why did we take negative sign here?
Because 2 has plus and 1 has minus.
Very good. All right, great. Shivani, you can take this one.
-3
-3 and
multiply 2
multiply by 2. Yes, correct. So what will that give me?
-6
Very good. All right. Somebody else has joined. 1 second. Okay. Yes, Muskan, you can take this one.
Okay. So first we 2 minus 8. 2
Yeah.
minus 8. 2 minus 8 is 6.
+6 or -6?
Plus 6.
Which is my bigger
Min-
number?
8
So which sign will I take?
minus.
Okay. So that is -6 into -1.
And we multiply 8 multiply minus 1.
8 or -6 multiplied by -1?
Yeah. 6 multiply minus 1. So answer is 6. And sign is plus
Yes. Why is the sign plus?
because same sign plus.
Okay, very good. Yes, Mishpa, you can take this one next.
First we do bracket.
Right?
We do minus.
Okay. So what is the answer of that bracket?
4 minus 1 is equal to 3.
Okay.
And 3 8 the 3 8 the 1 second. 27.
27. You sure it's 27?
Yes.
It's 24. No problem. But will it be a plus sign or a minus sign?
Minus.
Okay. Why will it be a minus sign?
Because 3 has plus and 8 has minus.
Okay. Very good. Yes, Shivani, you're next.
1 into 2
1 into 2 or -2?
-2
Okay. So what will that give me? Answer?
-3 -2
Okay. Very good. All right. We're done for today. Have you all understood? Is there still some confusion when there is a plus and a minus you have to add? Multiplication thoda easy hai, I understand, simpler hai. But when it comes to adding and subtracting, I would suggest एक और बार थोड़ा और वो practice कीजिए in adding and subtracting the numbers. Yeah. Mansi?
Yes, yes,
Yeah. Is the homework is with you?
yes. I have the homework. I'll send it to them on the group, extra class group, everyone. Okay.
Chalo. I can then close the class. Is there
Yes,
anything?
yes.
Alright. Okay. Bye, everybody. Yes.
Bye.
All right. Take care. Bye.
Bye
Thank
bye.
you.
Thank you. Bye.
Everyone, you can leave the meeting. Join back at 9 o'clock. Bye.
Okay, bye.
Bye-bye, Samyukta. Thank you so
Bye.
much for
Thanks.
taking the lesson.
Yeah.
Misbah, leave the meeting. You can leave the meeting.
Can you tell me, are the signs same or are they different in this question for 8 and 3?
-9.
Minus sign.
Minus sign, teacher.
Minus sign, and what is the sign in front of 3?
Negative.
In front of 3, Faisal, in front of 3, there is no sign in front of a number. You always assume that this is a positive number. So what is the sign that 3 has? It is a positive number. Okay.
Yes.
Now, in front of 8, you know that you have a negative sign, and in front of 3, you have a positive sign. So, in the right side, you can see that
Yes.
these are the formulas for same signs. Now, in this question, we know that the signs are different. So, these are the two formulas that we will have to look at. Now, look at these two formulas and tell me which one will be applicable in this case. When there is a minus and then a plus. So which formula will you use? This is, say, suppose number 3 and this is number 4. Tell me which one will you use?
Second formula.
Second formula, right? Where there is a minus multiplied by a positive. And you can see that which is equal to a minus, right? Which means that your answer will be a minus number. Now, when you multiply 8 and 3, what do you get? What is 3 multiplied by 8? Yes?
20.
0 Bus.
4. 24.
All right. Great. So, our final answer is minus 24.
24.
Guys, understand why did we get the minus sign?
24.
Yes. So, did you guys understand why did we get a minus sign?
Yes.
Because of the fourth formula here, when minus is multiplied by a positive number,
Yes.
answer is always negative.
Negative.
Correct. Great. Let's look at the third formula now. Why don't Kushnama, you help me with this one? Faisal, Zainab, you guys can use this. Okay.
minus 4 in bracket multiply by 0.
Minus 4 or minus 5, Kushnama?
Minus 5.
Minus 5 multiplied by 0. So what will you do in this case? What will be the next step? Okay. Kushnama, anything multiplied by a 0 will always give you a 0. Why don't you all note this down in your notebooks? Write down the statement. Anything positive, negative, any number multiplied by a 0, the answer will always be a 0. A 0 does not have a positive or a negative in front of it. A 0 simply signifies 0. So note it down in your textbook that whenever anything is multiplied by 0, the answer always becomes 0. All right. Kushnuma, help me with this question. I understand the first one was a little tricky. So tell me, let us solve the fourth question together. Can you read out the question for me?
3 multiplied by minus 3 in bracket.
Okay. So can you tell me what is the sign in front of the first 3?
Plus.
Correct. So what will be your, so which formula will you use out of the 4
Like
formulas that you have?
Third.
The third formula, positive multiplied by negative. So Kushnuma, can you tell me what will be the sign of the final answer?
Minus.
Minus. And what will you get when you multiply 3 and 3?
9.
Correct. So what is the final answer?
Minus 9.
Correct. Very good, Kushnuma. Faisal and Zainab, thank you, Kushnuma. You can mute yourself. Faisal and Zainab, help me solve this question. Question number 5. You'll have to unmute yourself and read out the question to me. What does the question state?
0.
ये ऊपर
6 minus
माइनस है वो
नहीं 6 plus 7 multiply 4
So 7 and 4 are in bracket. So when you read it,
bracket.
how will you read it is 6
6
plus in
6
bracket.
6 plus
6 plus
bracket
7.
7 multiply 4.
Correct. Very good. So first, whenever you see a sum, you will have to do or use or solve the bracket. So first we will focus on 7 multiplied by 4. Okay. So 7 multiplied by 4. Can you tell me what is the sign in front of 7 and 4?
Minus sign.
Why will it be a minus sign, Zaina?
Negative. Positive sign.
Any number which does not have a sign in front of it is always a positive number.
27.
Note this,
पॉजिटिव नंबर टीचर
sorry,
पॉजिटिव
positive number. Correct. Note this down in your textbook if you've not already written it down. That whenever there is no sign, note it down, Faisal. I don't see you noting it down. Zainab, I cannot see you noting it down either. Note it down in your textbook. Any number which does not have a sign in front of it, positive number. So now tell me what is the sign in front of 7 and 4? What is the sign?
मल्टीप्लाई
Is it a positive number or is it a negative?
कपड़ा रखना है उसके नीचे
Minus sign.
Faisal,
Minus sign.
what is the sign in front of 7 and 4? Can you tell us?
मल्टीप्लाई
Multiplication is what you have to do. What is the sign in front of 4?
42
Is it a positive number or is it a negative number? 7 and 4.
पॉजिटिव
Both of them are positive because there is no sign in front of the number. Okay. whenever you look at the sign in front of a number, you have to look at whether it is a positive number or a negative number. So that
Yes.
the answer that you gave us was incorrect. The answer is that
28.
numbers are positive. Okay.
Positive
Now the
28.
final answer you can see will be a in the first row here. Can you see? Both the numbers are positive. Your answer will be a positive.
Positive.
Correct. So when you multiply 7 and 4, what do you get? 7 multiplied by 4.
28
Look,
divide positive 28.
Positive 28. Very good. So now the question becomes 6 plus positive 28, right? So we've not written positive 28 because there was a plus sign in front of the right? That is why we've written. Now, what will be the final answer?
33. Positive.
Positive 33, right? Because you have to assume that in front of 6, it is a positive number. So, you will add both the numbers and your final answer will be a positive number. Like Zainab said, but
34.
28 plus 6 will not give you 33, it will give you 34. Okay, Zainab? All right. Let's move on and do the next question. Okay, Kushnuma, why don't you help me with this question? Zainab, Faisal, you can mute yourself.
Two multiplied by minus 4 plus 4 in bracket.
Kushnuma, why don't you read the question once again? In bracket, what does it say?
Minus 4, minus 5 and plus 4.
Minus 5 and plus 4. Okay. So what will be the first step that you do?
I will remove bracket.
In order to remove the brackets, what do you have to do? You have two numbers inside the bracket, right? What is the
Yes.
sign in front of 5?
Minus,
And in front of 4, what sign do you have?
plus,
So which rule will you apply here? Out of the 4 rules that we have here, all these rules?
both.
So fourth row, correct. So your final answer will be
Minus 1.
again, Khushnuwa, this question that we have here, these 4 rules. Okay, great. So you used the first rule which says different sign, right? And you have to subtract, not these rules. These are the product rules. In the bracket, you don't have a product, you have a addition and a subtraction. So what is the answer? When you open the bracket, what will be the answer?
Minus 5 plus 4.
So when you open the bracket, what will you write in the next step?
I will do minus 5 and plus 4 minus.
Minus. What will be the number? Minus.
What?
What will be your answer? You said it will be in minus, but what will be the number? What will be your answer? 2 multiplied by what?
Minus 9. Minus 1.
Minus 1. It will not be a minus 9. Why? You will not add both these numbers, Kushnuma, because the signs are different. Look at the first rule and the fourth row. Different signs. Can you see this? It says minus or subtract, right? So you have to subtract both these numbers. So you get a minus 1. Now, what will be your next step?
I will do divide, multiply.
Multiplication. Now, what is the sign in front of 2?
plus
Plus. So it is plus multiplied by a minus, right? So out of these 4 product rules, why don't you tell me which rule will you?
third.
Third rule. So what will be your final answer be in which sign?
-2.
-2. Correct. Okay. Thank you, Krishnama. Faisal, Zainab, why don't you unmute yourself and help me with this question?
Bracket -3.
Yes.
Bracket -3 multiplication bracket 4 -2.
Okay. So what will be the first step that you do, Zainab, after this?
We add
So -3
4
is there in bracket, which is okay. So we will in the next step just keep -3 multiplied by. Focus on 4 minus 2. What will you
4
do?
-2.
3 multiply
बक
हाँ,
देखो समझ में
3
आ रहा है
multiply 4.
No, Faisal, you have to first solve the bracket. In bracket, you have 4 minus 2.
4 -2.
So what will be the answer when you open this bracket? What will be the answer for when you do 4 minus 2?
4 -2 2.
2. It will be a positive or a negative? Will it be a -2 or a +2?
Positive.
Positive. Look at rule number 1 here, the third row, different sign. So when you are adding two numbers and they have different signs, so 4 has a positive in front of it and 2 has a negative, right?
Yes.
When there are two different signs, here you will subtract both of them. So 4 minus 2 is giving you 2 and your final answer will be in the sign of the bigger number. So the bigger number here is 4. If 4 is said, then the answer will be a positive 2. Okay? Now this is your question. -3 multiplied by 2. So what is the sign in front of 2?
6
No, I'm asking you what is the sign in front of 2?
front positive.
Positive. Correct. Now look at these 4 questions in front of you here above. So you have -3 multiplied by positive 2. So which rule will you apply out of these 4 rules here in white? You have minus multiplied by a positive. Which rule will you use?
2
Sorry?
rule number 2.
Number 2 is then of minus multiplied by minus. So are the numbers in minus here?
हाँ minus multiply plus minus
So
into
minus
minus.
multiplied by positive is the fourth rule.
Oh,
This one, right?
yes.
So what is the final answer in which sign?
Minus.
Minus. So what will
Minus
the final answer be?
-6.
3 multiplied by 2 will give you 6, and because there is a minus sign in front of minus multiplied by positive will give you a minus sign. So the final answer is -3. Sorry, -6. Okay.
Yes.
So another sum. Khushnuma, why don't you help me with this one? Tell me the next step. What will you do? You'll have to unmute yourself, Khushnuma.
I will remove bracket.
Hmm.
Then I do 2 minus 8
Yes. So what is the answer you get when you do 2 minus 8?
-4.
What is 8 minus 2, Khushnuma?
-6.
Correct. Minus 6 multiplied by
-1.
So what will be your final answer? Which rule will you apply out of the rules which are mentioned here?
Second.
Second rule. Minus multiplied by minus. So what will be your final answer?
6 plus 6.
6 multiplied by 1 is 6. And the final answer will be a positive number. So it gives you plus 6. Okay. Thank you, Khushnuma. Faisal, Zainab, why don't you help me with this question? Tell me the first step that you will do.
Bracket 4 minus 1 multiply bracket minus 8.
Okay. So what will be the next step?
We do first 4 minus 3.
Where is minus 3, Zainab?
No,
Okay, you're telling me the final answer. What will be the answer?
minus 3 and
How are you getting a
minus 8 bracket.
How are you getting a minus 3? A positive 4.
Positive.
You are subtracting 1 from it. So what will be your answer? Will it be a positive number or a negative number?
Positive.
Positive. And 4 minus
Min-
8 is 3, which you told me. So your next step shows you this. 3 multiplied by minus 8.
minus 8.
What will be your final answer in? What will be the sign?
3 minus 7, 24. 24 plus.
Why will it be plus?
No.
मल्टीप्लाई होगा ना मल्टीप्लिकेशन
ये जो
24 मल्टीप्लिकेशन
24 आंसर है, बट साइन क्या होगा? ये जो आपके पास
माइनस साइन.
माइनस साइन क्यों होगा? माइनस साइन कौन सा रूल अप्लाई कर रहे हो आप यहाँ से?
फर्स्ट वाला.
कौन सा फर्स्ट वाला?
सेकंड का फर्स्ट.
नेगेटिव
कौन सा वाला?
यस.
ये वाला?
मिस नीचे.
ये वाला ना?
हाँ.
तो
का फर्स्ट
माइनस में होगा minus 24. ओके. अब ये 10 वाला क्वेश्चन कौन सॉल्व करेगा मेरे साथ? Who will solve this question with me?
with 3.
Sorry?
with 3.
Okay. So Zainab, what will be the first step here?
10.
Question 10 is 1 multiplied by
1 multiply bracket 6 minus 8.
फर्स्ट स्टेप क्या करोगे आप?
We minus 6 और 8.
ओके. तो उसका आंसर क्या आएगा?
6 का is 2.
पॉजिटिव या नेगेटिव? 2.
Positive
40
हम्म?
8 में से 6 निकाल लेता है
आपको 6
कितने आएगी? पॉजिटिव.
पॉजिटिव नहीं होगा, आपको 6 में से 8 निकालना है.
वही तो बोल रहा हूँ
नेगेटिव.
It will be a negative because 8 is the bigger number. 6 और 8 कौन सा बड़ा है?
2 टीचर 2
अब मुझे बताओ 6 और 8 में से बड़ा नंबर कौन सा है?
8.
8 के सामने कौन सा साइन?
6.
8 के सामने साइन कौन सा है? वो पॉजिटिव है,
8 के सामने नेगेटिव साइन है,
तो आप 6 और 8 को माइनस करोगे तो आपका आंसर माइनस में आना चाहिए, क्योंकि
माइनस आएगा।
8 के सामने जो साइन होगा आपको वो वाला साइन यूज करना है, तो आपका आंसर होगा
तो
माइनस
देखिए -2 बोला था।
yes.
चुप ना,
हाँ, बोल।
आंसर
अब आप मल्टीप्लाई करोगे 1 और -2 को, तो आप कौन सा फॉर्मूला यूज करोगे आउट ऑफ दीज 4 योर?
ब्रैकेट माइनस
One.
मल्टीप्लाई
कौन सा वाला? ये वाला 1
1.
2
सेकेंड। हाँ,
दिस इज 2
माइनस आंसर।
माइनस आंसर होगा। आप ये वाला रूल अप्लाई करोगे, थर्ड वाला।
मल्टीप्लाई 1 टीचर।
आंसर क्या है?
2
पूरा आंसर बताओ। साइन क्या होगा 2 के सामने?
-2।
-2, करेक्ट। ओके, थैंक यू क्लास। आज दिस इज वेयर वी एंड। पायल, मानसी, you guys want to?
Bye.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Simran. Everyone, I will send you homework on the group, so make sure you are doing it today. And your next class starts in 10 minutes, so I'll see you again in the meeting.
Okay.
Thank you so much, Simran.